So, Mr. Jain, I would like to take advantage of this session and would like to share 3 short stories because हमारे को ना client अलग-अलग तरह के मिलते हैं and every client has a different outlook, different response and different behavior. So, when I started my career, I learned this thing that you have to understand your client from his mindset, where he's coming from. So, because our job is not to manage return, I cannot make. If the White Oak fund is doing say 18%, I cannot make that 20 or 16. That's the fund manager's job to do and he's being well paid for that. My job is to manage client's behavior, client psychology and how he respond to a situation. So there is one client who is a very, very large corporate and maybe having a treasury of 4,000, 5,000 crores. Total treasury book I am saying. So ऐसे relationships को crack करना it's very very difficult for people like us because they have their own team, they have maybe 10 chartered accountants working for them, equity analyst भी in-house रखा होता है और बहुत सारे ऐसे large corporates ने अपने ARM एक छोटी finance company बनाकर लिए होते हैं, they hardly give you any business. So I started pitching them a very unique proposition and last year I got blessed with my second son. तो February की बात है ये and February 23 की बात है and शायद हम November 22 से follow up कर रहे थे उनके साथ and eventually उनके CFO ने मेरे को call किया and he said कि Mr. Luthra congratulations. I thought initially कि ये बेटा हुआ है उसकी congratulations दे रहे हैं because उनको मालूम लगा है कहीं से. मैंने कहा congratulations, thank you, but how you got to know about this? I was surprised क्योंकि मैंने बात नहीं करी थी. Then he said what you are talking about? You only pitched this. मैंने pitch किया है, क्या pitch किया? So he said that promoter has approved your proposal and we'll be writing you this much of check. So that was like a milestone in my life, I would say, because when you are able to crack such kind of relationships, it really helps you and elevates your confidence to go to the next level. Second story is I came across a client जो मेरे को बिरला के time में मिले. And whenever you pass through these institutions and corporate jobs, you keep garnering more relationships. So that client outrightly said, when I left Birla, he said, Abhishek, हम तो सिर्फ corporates या banks के साथ काम करते हैं. Now you are doing your own thing. I'm really sorry, we are in very good terms, but I'll not be able to give you any business. And after starting my own company, he called me after 1 year. He said, please come and take whatever we have. So the feedback I got is that, like you said, visuals are very very important. I used to write everything in front of my client. I used to draw a few lines and just to explain them what we are doing and how we are going about it. So I don't know what particularly he liked, but he eventually gave all of that business and he categorically said that this is happening for the first time in our life that we are giving business out to a private outfit which is not a very large corporate, not a bank. And third story is you come across such kind of people like Iqbal sir said that he managed money for the income tax commissioners. I also have a couple of such relationships with bureaucrats. So that lady was working in Ludhiana as a commissioner. उनका खुद का business मेरे पास कभी नहीं आया. But उनके एक phone call से जो business आ जाता है, वो और कहीं से नहीं आ सकता. So now if you have that kind of rapport, that kind of relationship with a client, where they put their trust and they do mouth marketing for you that okay, if you want such kind of help, this is the guy right out there, just call him and get the work done. So this is how you garner more business. So what we need to manage is client psychology, client's behavior. We cannot manage return. We are not in that job. So that's the whole crux of it. Thanks.